This is a lesson video of topic 3.1 Trade and Cash Discount. This lesson video will cover the following subtopic, including trade discount, single discount equivalent to chain discount, and cash discount. By the end of this topic, students should be able to 1. Explain trade discount term, 2. Calculate trade discount and the net price of goods purchased, 3. Explain chain discount, 4. Find a single discount that is equivalent to chain discount terms, 5. Solve problem involving trade and cash discount. Retailer give discount to attract more customer. Effective use of trade and cash discount enable wholesaler and retailer to retain their loyal customer and at the same time attract new customer. A cash discount is an incentive offered to the purchaser of a firm product for payment within a specified time period. Let's have some basic calculation about discount. A men's shirt of 204 ringgit 19 cent in price has received 80% discount. The calculation of the price after discount is shown below. As the list price is 204 ringgit 19 cent less the amount of 80% discount of 163 ringgit 35 cent. Therefore, the net price of a men's shirt after discount is 40 ringgit 84 cent. Now look at on trade discount. Retailer usually pay for the goods at price lower than the list price of the product. Let list price denoted as LP. The price that the retailer pay after reduction in price are called the net price. Let net price denoted as NP. The difference between the list price and the net price is called trade discount. Trade discount is derived as TD equal to LP minus NP. Now, let's calculate the amount of trade discount of these shoes. As the list price of these shoes is 500 and the net price of these shoes is 230 ringgit. Therefore, the amount of trade discount of these shoes is 270 ringgit. A manufacturer normally quote a discount rate in percentage to the retailer. The rate is called the trade discount rate. Trade discount rate is denoted as R. The trade discount rate must be calculated on the list price. Hence, amount of trade discount is equal to list price multiplied with trade discount rate. In short, the formula also can be written as TD equal to LP multiplied with R%. Consider example 1. The list price of a leather belt is 180 ringgit. A trade discount of 30% is offered. What is the net price of the belt? List price is given as 180 ringgit. Therefore, trade discount with the formula of LP multiplied with R% is equal to 180 ringgit multiplied with 30%, which is equal to 54 ringgit. To find the net price of a belt, calculate the difference between list price and trade discount. Since list price is 180 ringgit and trade discount is 54 ringgit. Therefore, the net price of a leather belt is 126 ringgit. Just now you have seen the basic concept of trade discount and the calculation of net price manually. Now let's derive the general formula of net price given only one discount rate and the formula of net price given several discount rate. Let's derive net price formula with one discount rate first. As net price is equal to list price minus trade discount, and trade discount is equal to list price multiplied with R. Therefore, net price can be simplified as list price multiplied with 1 minus R. Now, let's solve example 1 by using formula. As net price formula is equal to list price multiplied with 1 minus R, replace the amount of list price with 180 and R with 30% or 0.3. Hence, the amount of net price is equal to 126 ringgit. And this value is consistent with the previous calculation. This is the calculation of net price when the bill is included with other costs. The other costs in this case including transportation costs, postage fee, and etc. The formula is net price is equal to bill minus cost multiplied with 1 minus R plus cost. Example of application as on example 2. A bill of 1,200 including a prepaid handling charge of 200 is offered a trade discount of 15%. What is the net price? Plug in bill with 1,200, cost with 200, and R with 0.15 into formula. And solve it. Therefore, the amount of net price is equal to 1,050 ringgit. Next, net price formula with chain discount. What is chain discount? Chain discount or series discount is also known as multiple discount. Example of application is shown in the advertisement here where Quicksilver offer up to 80% to their items and another 5% is given to the customer if payment is made with credit card. In chain discount, each discount rate is calculated on the successive net amount. The formula is net price is equal to list price multiplied with 1 minus first trade discount rate multiplied with 1 minus second trade discount rate multiply with 1 minus third trade discount rate. Consider example 3. A television set with a catalog price of 2,500 is offered at a chain discount of 30%, 10%, and 5%. Calculate the net price. Replace the value of list price with 2,500. First trade discount of 30%, second trade discount rate of 10%, third trade discount rate of 5% into formula of net price equal to list price multiply 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3. Therefore, the net price of a television set is equal to 1,496 ringgit 25 cent. The formula to calculate net price when the bill is included with other costs is as follow. Net price is equal to bill minus cost multiply 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3 plus cost. Next subtopic, single discount equivalent to chain discount. This subtopic will show you on how to convert a series of discount into a single discount. A single discount equivalent is a single discount which is equivalent to a chain discount. The single discount equivalent of R for a chain discount of R1, R2, and R3 is given by R equal to 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3. The way to apply it is shown in the following example. A product is advertised at 1,500, less 20%, 10%, and 5%. Find the single discount equivalent, B, the net price. Given list price is 1,500, R1 20% or 0.2, R2 10% or 0.1, R3 5% or 0.05. Solution for A from the formula of R equal to 1 minus R1 multiply 1 minus R2 multiply 1 minus R3. Replace the value of R1 with 0.2, R2 with 0.1, and R3 with 0.05 and solve it. So the answer of R is 0.316 or 31.6%. Solution for B from the formula of net price equal to list price multiply 1 minus R. Replace the value of list price with 1,500 and the value of R with 0.316. Therefore, net price is 1,026 ringgit. Cash discount. Wholesalers, manufacturers, and even retailers offer reduction on the amount due to customers who pay their bills within a stipulated period of time. This is to encourage prompt payment of bills. In simple words, discount is given to the customer if they pay their bills within a specified period. This deduction is called a cash discount. The credit terms, which comprise the cash discount rate and the credit period, are usually shown in the invoice. If the bill is settled within the specified period, the buyer needs only to pay the net amount after deducting the cash discount from the amount in the invoice. For example, a supplier may offer term 2/10, 1/30, and /60, which means that 2% of the net price may be deducted if the invoice is paid within 10 days of the invoice date. 1% may be deducted if the invoice is paid within the 11th and 30th day, and the full amount must be paid by the 60th day. Look at into this example. An invoice that 2nd January 2016 for 4,010 ringgit was offered cash discount terms of 1% cash discount if payment made within 10 days and no discount if payment made within 11 to 30th day. If the invoice was paid on 11 January 2016, what was the payment? Since the invoice was paid 9 days after the date of the invoice, which is within the discount period, therefore, the buyer was entitled to a 1% cash discount. To calculate the amount of payment, multiply net price with 1 minus cash discount. Since the amount of net price is equal to 4,010 ringgit and cash discount is 1%, therefore the amount of payment is 3,969 ringgit 90 cents.